We're currently on our sit at Benitachell in Spain, staying in the most incredible house with a phenomenal view across the Mediterranean and the mountains. We're looking after 3 Portuguese water dogs, and their names are
Ollie and Rasta and Shanti.
And we've looked after Portuguese water dogs before, and they are amazingly obedient dogs, and these guys are no exception. Whilst we are here, we are going to explore Javier, Denia, and Moraira, like Lord of the Rings, Moraira. Hopefully it's not as bad. Having a lovely time already, and we shall see you down on the coast.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. Sunshine. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Crazy
venture into Denia had to be postponed somewhat because we've had an influx of a dust storm that's come up from the southern Sahara. So basically looks like it's fogged in. My understanding is this happens reasonably regularly, and if it mixes with the rain, they get what's called blood rain. We sat at a sit once at Al Harun in Spain, and the host mentioned they just literally had to high pressure the whole house, the outside, to get all the stains off. So we most probably have to wait a few more days before we go out adventuring until this settles down. So driving between Benitachell and Denia is quite an activity. The bike riders in the area use it quite regularly, and it's a little bit like a Tour de France multiplied by 4. So you're constantly stopping and having to manoeuvre around them.
Around all the mobs.
All the mob. Not sure the collective noun of bike riders is mob sort of, or should it be lycra? But yes, it's quite a popular spot for bike riders. I'm not sure what the per capita population is, but it seems pretty high.
Oh yes.